connection is
stand up to get the chocolate. Manish, whoever is standing, give them the chocolate. Thanks for not putting yeah.
So we are a self-organizing team, so we will trust when you say I was the first one to answer that correctly, right?
Hey, back up, back up. You say,
It is totally up to you, and the team should be up to you to kind of sell it to people so that maximum people come and join you. Everyone will do exactly same task, but you will have to pick up. You cannot do alone because you have very limited time to do that. So you will have to enlist people for that. Okay? You are all set for this? Okay. Scrum is founded on empirical process control theory or empiricism. Empiricism asserts that knowledge comes from experience and making decisions based on what is known. Three pillars uphold every implementation of empirical process control, which is not among these three. Actually, that feedback should be the one, but this is directly from Ken Schwaber's Scrum Guide 2030, and he chose to ignore feedback explicitly as a pillar. He probably meant that because there are multiple distributed Scrum teams working on a single product release. However, there are frequent problems during system integration. What is the most likely cause? Fast. Option B. To review the past projects and improve upon them, which of the following innovation gains could help you most? C. Right answer. Question now comes to team A. Work hard and could only get 10% increase in the revenues. What would be the worst way to reward them?
D for dog.
D for dog. -5, sorry. I think there could be multiple reasons why the revenue did not hit. So you probably don't want to do that. You'll probably make a very tough manager. But I think the key thing is that all of them can still be done depending on business. But if you do stack ranking, then you are breaking the spirit of all the teams and making the commitment once again. What is an example of? That's right, it's a user story mapping. The next question comes to you, Deepti. What is the most suitable method for the anarchy zone? The anarchy zone is the one that you see the orange color on the top right. What would be the most suitable method for that zone? Startup. This is, anybody knows this term? Stacey metrics. Stacey metrics is the way we actually identify what kind of problems are there. And if you see, one of the ways to solve that problem would be that the one that are simple, waterfall is the more effective way, the one in between, complicated and complex, agile, and then you have the lean startup. Because you cannot have a cause and effect relationship. Okay, go to 7 now. 7 is to you guys, team B.
What is the anarchy?
Anarchy is a zone where you have no correlation between cause and effect. You are not able to establish why something happened there. So inspect and adapt can only happen if you are able to attribute it to some root cause. Here you are not able to do it, right? Okay, so question goes to team B now. While reviewing a project, you encounter the following release burn down chart. What does the red bar that you are seeing there indicate? See, new work is not added to the sprint, it will be added to the project. This is a Scrum task board on day 14 of a 4-week sprint.
This is the bumper question.
This is the bumper question. This is the Scrum task board on day 14 of a 4-week sprint. Take a moment to see this because it's a little busy there. What is your interpretation? And I'll open up the options now. B. B as in Bombay. Sorry. You know why? Can anyone tell me what's happening here? Most of the tasks are work in progress. There is less work of that being completed and done. Most of it is even on 14 days they are in progress. Even if they come here QA, you don't have the complete feedback on them done. Right? So sorry guys, you missed that one. Okay. We go back to the theme now. And here, 5S is the name of a workplace organization method that uses a list of 5 Japanese words: Seiri, Siton, Shiso, Saiketsu, and Chitsuke. Name them in English.
Pass.
Pass, Deepti. C. Option C is what they've taken. Let's see. They missed it just by a bit actually. Satisfaction is not on straight up so okay. The next question comes to you once again. Team C, you get the next question, right? Okay. So your question comes up now. What is not true about proto-personas? Option C. So the question was what is not true, and they are based on market research. They are not based on market research. What is that is true about them? The first 3 options are true. They are a replacement for personas which we do by brainstorming. The next question comes to you, right? No. Yeah. Okay. The team B is getting the next question here. In mirror side method of integrating user-centered design with Agile development, how many cycles are needed for implementing all the user-centered design tasks? Your options are Team A, pass, Team B,
Pass.
Okay, anybody want to try?
Option B.
Option A, B, Why is that? Does anyone know mirror side method? What's happening in that?
Come and explain. I was just saying yes.
So mirror side method has 4 elements of user-centered design. You start with the UX research, you do the UX design, you do the UX implementation, and then you do the usability testing. Now these 4 components, they unfortunately cannot club it together in a single sprint. So they have to spread it in 4 sprints. And that's the reason why this is still a better method than the conventional method. So that's the reason why it's true. Okay, we go to Team A. Team A, you are getting the 3rd question now. As per Ashmoria, what is the right strategy concerning pivoting and optimization in a startup? Bombay. Pivot before product market fit optimize later. Sorry. Okay. Go to the last. The last set of questions for the second round here. Start with the team B now. It's a bumper question for you.
1 second, we need a mic.
Okay. In this case, what previously was considered a single feature in a product becomes a whole product. For example, Varma became Instagram. What type of pivot are we talking about? Pass. Team C. No. Team B. Come on, Team B, you are looking to Swetha. Zoom in pivot. It's known as zoom in. So when they started Urban, nobody was using it. They went to Eric Ries and they said, why don't you look at the photo uploading feature, and that's how Instagram was born. Okay, question 13 is done. So that was to you guys. We go to Team C now. And Team C gets, is there a bumper? That is their bumper as well.
Yeah, this is one for both the teams.
For both those teams. So stay alert on that. A dash is a short collaborative meeting during which members of a team quickly collaborate and sketch to explore and share a broad diversity of design ideas.
Design thinking.
Said answer D, design. Design card. Card is a French word. It also means design studio. But the word is design card. Which of the following is not a great idea for an MVP, a minimum viable product? A. Congratulations. You don't want to be fully functional because that's the whole idea of MVP that you want to build it. A for prototype is also okay to that extent. She'll review now, right? Okay. Team A. Let's see what you get here. The last question that we have here. Dash is a web design approach aimed at crafting sites to provide an optimal viewing experience, easy reading and navigation with a minimum of resizing, panning and scrolling across a wide range of devices from mobile phones to desktop computer monitors. Well, it worked for you. Okay, so with that actually we have So we have two teams, team B and D are going strong. Let's give it Team C is then neutral. Team A, you still have a chance, don't worry. Team will actually come to you guys and help so that you can win the fun and final round. Remember, right? Are you all ready for that?
How much time for this one?
So I'll explain that. We'll come to that. So of course you guys know, but I'll just take a 30-second tutorial on that just so that all of us are on the same page. Okay. Teams can enlist any number of volunteers from the audience. So anybody can just come here, be with the teams, and these sheets are there. They have coloring pens, and please help them make the mind map for Agile software development. Whatever you feel, there are no wrong answers. You have more sheets. You have actually 20 more sheets if you would like to do. So it's purely up to you. And let me explain a little bit for people so that they can come and get engaged in what's the mind map here. You have paper, tape, coloring pen, everything is already provided on the table. Thanks, Aritha, for all the arrangements. Everything is all lined up here. You have 15 minutes to do, but let me take you through the primer here on that. So what we are doing is, in a mind map is, essentially it's a 5-step process. You have to take a central idea first. In our case, we already have Agile software development as the central idea, because that's the whole exercise here. Then you add branches to your map. So you basically be creative and like kind of start bringing tentacles out of the central idea to demonstrate what are the adjoining ideas or what are the extensions or what are the various branches of that. And you add a keyword to each one of them. And the whole idea in mind map is that you use only one keyword with that. You don't put a whole word sentence there. Just put one keyword there. that demonstrates the real key component of that. You color code your branches, you make as many colors as possible. The whole idea being that our brain is most receptive to different colors, and so you want to color code it, that a particular kind you want to do in red, but another thing in blue. Your call, be creative as much as you want to be. And finally, you include the images as much as you can. We saw in posters earlier, people had done beautiful images. So I hope we can get some images that instead of writing something, if you can put some image there, instead of, let's say, writing idea, you probably show a light bulb there, which is visually more appealing, and people can relate to that. So finally, that's how it's going to look like. You have these 5 steps, and you basically look at these 5 steps that help you. And at the end of these 5 steps, when you do, you will hopefully have a mind map like this, right? And so what we will do now is each team is getting 15 minutes as the timer starts. And at that time, you all can start building it. At the end of 15 minutes, you all can stop there. You come here, just show it to the people. We will do the agile voting. What is an agile voting? Anyone knows that? Sorry? We'll do the fist of 5. The fist of 5 means we'll all keep our fists folded. And at this count of 3, we open up and say, if you have a super duper something, you all like it. Give a 5, yeah, maybe you can give thumbs, but let's stick to 5, easier to count that way. If it was really cool, may not be excellent, then 4. If it was okay, then maybe you say 3, 2, 1, and maybe, I don't know if you want to really show that. But that's how we will do. So it will be an audience that will vote for it collectively. So nobody can break the system. It's going to be very subjective accordingly. So if you're all set, then we can start the timer now. This will remain open. And the teams can come and please help your favorite team so that they are still in the game there. We are starting now.
Request few of you to join us, please help us. If you can. Mr. Tathagat, the theme is
tama-tama. ఇక్కడ బర ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಾ ಅದು ತಮ್ಮಡು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಾ
daily stand up हो गया
daily stand up is planning, then one more is printing that is the same one. Thank you.
इसके बाद
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ
How easy is it for you? Does it help you explain? Does it help
One
you
suggestion, you can capture the picture and show them the big screen.
show it on the big screen? Would we have A now? And as soon as that comes up, as soon as that comes up on the screen here, we will ask everyone to
Hold the screen.
Okay, we need the other one also.
It's about 4. Right? Some people have 5, some people have half, people have 3, 2 and 1. 3, yeah, 3 is 1.
Okay, thank you, teammate.
Okay, now it's team B. Okay, ready? Zoom. Here. Zoom. Ready? Yes. 1, 2, 3, go. Also 5. Yeah, 5. You go. I think 5. Now.